So you can make a from 1. You cannot use completing the square if a is not 1. Right? In this case, you have to divide everything by 2, which is our a term first. Right? This will cancel out. Right? And we end up with x squared is equal. We have x is equal to 135 half. Ay, ay, ay. Take up the fraction. Now what is your new b term? Then you're going to divide this by 2, that become a complex fraction. Right? There we go. You have 3 over 2 divided by 2 over 1. Right? Let's go back to elementary school. Remember, when you divide two fractions, the rule says you keep the first one as is, right? As is, then you do what? You flip, and your division change to multiplication. Remember that? This says as 3 halves, right? This you flip, which is the reciprocal, is multiplied by 1/2. Then what do we get? 3 over 4. What you do with the 3 over 4? Then you do what? You square it. You see how many things that happen? So that's what you will add here. 3 over 4 squared. And that's what you add to each side. Right? This is a bit we have. Divide by 2. That's what we do. Flip. That's giving you 3/4. Then you square. Then we will end up with x squared plus 3/2 x. When you square that, what do you get? 9 over 16. Then you have 135 half plus 9 over 16. Again, more fraction. We have to simplify the right side. How do we simplify the right side? We need to have a common denominator. What will be the common denominator? Then we must multiply this by what? By 8. Multiply by 8. What is 135 multiplied by 8?
100. You said 1,000.
Take 135 multiplied by 8. What do you get?
1,080.
1,080, right? Over 8 plus 9 over 16, not over 8. You guys don't say anything. Over 16 plus 9 over 16. Now we can combine them. What do we end up with? So we have x squared plus 3/2 x plus 9 over 16 is equal to 1,089 over 16. Now we simplify our fraction. You see what I told you in advance? The fractions are coming. So you're going to write this as a perfect square trinomial is equal to 1,089 over 16. And remember, this was our reference. We're going to need back, right? What goes here? X plus 3 over 4, and you square is equal to that. And what do we do next? We take square root. And you will have x plus 3/4 is equal plus or minus. What is square root of 1089? Calculator will give you that. 30? 33. What is square root of 16? 4. Now we need to get x by itself. What you need to do? You subtract what? 3 over 4 from each side. You subtract 3/4 on each side. Then you'll have x equal Negative 3, 4 plus or minus 33 over 4. So you can write it as a single unit. X is equal to minus 3 plus 33 plus or minus 33 over 4. Alright? Now we can get our two answers. What is minus 3 plus 33? Then you will have x1 is equal to 30 over 4. That can be simplified as what?
15 over
15 half. That's the first answer. Right? Now you will have minus 3 minus 33. That will give you what? Minus 3 minus 33 over 4. What it is that? Negative 36 over 4, which is what?
Negative 9.
Negative 9. That's our answer. Yes!